I caught my first major felony at 13 years old, going on 14. And the only reason I went to the juvenile home for this charge is because one of my homies, rest in love, Jamie Frank, was going to go to prison if he would have got the charge. And he was like a couple years older than me, so I knew they was going to send me to juvenile home. They had already discussed what was going to happen, so I took the charge for everyone. And I remember going to court in Dumas, Arkansas with my Aunt Shirley, because my mom had to work at the time, and I remember telling the judge that, I did it all. It was all on me, and I remember him looking at me and saying, "Son, are you trying to get initiated in the game?" And I remember my auntie shaking her head. She was crying. She didn't understand, but I'm trying to save my homeboy, who's dead now. And I remember going down there, and I went to Alexander, fam, and there was a lot of different people from all over Arkansas, juveniles. I met a lot of good dudes, some that's not living now. And I remember me being willing to take that sacrifice for my homie because I didn't want him to go to prison, fam. I was like, well, I'm just going to go to juvenile home. I'm going to get back out. Needless to say, my guy still went to prison. And he ended up going to prison. I never got a chance to see my guy free again. He ended up dying while I was in prison. So I realized the only way that I could be able to break a chain and really help the homies that's from the hood, if I stay out of prison and I do something that can really change their lives. So that's why I teach welding now. And that's why, I teach business and I teach people how to turn their trades into a business and how to make products, because I come from that product family that we are truly products of our environment. So if we don't change and start educating ourselves, we're going to revolve in that same circle.